in here. I'm currently in my car. I have boxes in here. I have an umbrella in here. I have my loafers in here. This shitty ass thingy to hold your phone stopped working. It was supposed to be like a suction cup, but then it never suction cupped ever. I don't know if it had to do something with like it being like super cold weather. Let's try it. Maybe it had to do with the weather because now it's like sticking. I would show you, but it was really hard to set up the tripod right there. Shit. So what am I gonna do with this one? Okay, I was gonna throw it away, but I'm gonna keep it. Okay, fucking long intro, but what the fuck is this? But yes, we are in my car because we are going to clean it out from the inside and the outside. I don't know, did I already say that I'm trying to sell my car? Possibly, I don't know, but even if I don't, the inside needs a really good wash. So that's what we're gonna do today. Ah! Shit blew in my eye. This is why I don't like the outdoors. Okay, how do I get this shit out of here without making a mess? Because there's so many I'm already making a mess. Come here, come here. I need to show you something else. Okay, and this is my trunk. I have all this shit from when I was doing like photo shoots and things like that, like photo gigs, and I've never emptied it out, and I think it's time to empty it out. Cleaning your car is like really hard. I'm sweating, my hair is oily. It's fine because like we're doing that Castro. Oh, I didn't even tell you. Did I tell you? I don't know. But doing Castro. No, Castro is a dictator. I don't even fucking know. I'll put it right here. It supposedly, you know, helps your hair grow, just your scalp health. I've been experiencing really dry scalp for some reason. But yeah, that's why my hair is like nasty and oily, and I'm also sweaty, so that doesn't help it either. But I vacuumed the whole car. Now it's time to lather the car mats, the weather check mats, and the outside of the car. So I'm gonna roll up these windows. I washed those mats, and now Martin's gonna show me how to use the, what's it called?
It's a power washer, Joe.
A power washer. That's what it's gonna do. Right? I feel like I'm making what? What do people in the 1900s or 1800s do this for? Butter. We're turning butter. Okay, I showered and I feel like 100 times better. I was so sweaty and nasty, but now I'm starving. Like my stomach's growling, my battery's about to die, so I have to charge you guys. I actually need to buy another battery for this one because I've had this camera for such a long time, probably like 4 years, and never bought an extra battery, and I should because I use this camera all the time. But yeah, I'm just wearing a red H&M tee and some pink leggings. And I'm gonna go eat. You enjoying your dinner, Ollie? My hair is so frizzy. I look like Dora the Explorer. But we are out here and we're eating dessert. And there's little Olliekins. Ollie! Good boy. He wants my ice cream. Guys, my phone case finally came in. God, I literally waited almost a month. It probably would have been like 9 days for it to be a month. But I just got a plain black one and I didn't want to pay a lot for it. So then I went on eBay and it was $5. But the only con is that you have to wait a really long time. Because then I was looking on Amazon and they were $20. And if TJ Maxx was open, I would have totally gone to TJ Maxx because they're like $7–10 there. But yeah, so you can see right now I have a purple one. You can kind of see it's stained a little bit. It's like brown. It's kind of gross. So I wanted to change it to black because then I also have this like marble pop socket. So against there it would look very chic. Sometimes I wish I was like gutsy enough to just have the iPhone like this, but I drop it too much and I just know myself, I'm very clumsy. Yeah, I feel like Tech 21 cases are really good quality. I can feel like the plastic is very like thick and this one's very flimsy. But it'll do for now. I mean, I don't drop my phone that much. And it has like this bumper around it. Oh, it doesn't even come up that much. Let me see. Now I'm kind of like regretting it. Well, not regretting it, but I don't know. Maybe once quarantine is over, I'll go to TJ Maxx and just find like a black simple one from Tech 21 because their cases are really high quality. I'm kind of like traumatized from that one time that I got like really drunk and my phone just like fell. And it was one of those like cute, colorful rhinestone phone cases that have like rhinestones like all on the back. It had no bumper. It just gripped like the sides and it felt like this and it just shattered. So I'm always really aware about like this top part. But yeah, I think I'm going to start filing those nails. Or maybe I'll do something on my blog. I don't know. But yeah, just going to chill for now.